with hit tip pepper, one of the things I like is that it forces the players to run down tips, and then they get used to putting the tips straight up and down. So again, we're going to keep it on our side of the net. So now after the hit, the ball is dug back to the hitter. The hitter then is going to tip it short. And then they'll pass it back, and then the other person is going to do the hitting. So we're switching off who does the hitting there. So hit, when you get the tip, let's make sure that you wait until you see the hitter's hand go up in the air so you know the tip is coming. I don't want you to just get way up there and then just waiting for the tip. I want to have you make sure that you're running as the ball is in the air. Okay, so it's going to be hit, dig, tip, dig. Then I would set it back, and then we have a new hitter. Wait for it. Now go get that tip. Back. And now you hit, Cassie. Wait for it. Now go get it. Good way to get your feet there, Cassie. Wait, see it. Now go get it.